Mashonaland West Women's League Skills Program paves way for 2030. Nizana bina mashoko arobuda panguwa ine kujonekwa kunzi pane initiative nema affiliates panguwa ine aakuraiza panguwa ine amuri kuona even skills ava kudzidziswa vanhu as a way to bribe vanhu kuti vanhu vasupport 2030 plan. Not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tubina painde varakash for EDF danyara chiti ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Women's League Provincial Chair Lady Comrade Constance Shamu on Thursday officiated the graduation of sewing students at the Raspa Skills Training Center in Zimba East. The 6-month program run by Women's League equips participants with the practical skills for certification and economic empowerment. The colorful event was attended by the local community, party leaders, traditional leaders, and school pupils proudly dressed in uniforms made at the center. In her address, Comrade Shamu congratulated the graduates, urging them to embrace discipline, innovation, and commitment in their ventures. Our elders fought and won the political struggle that brought us independence. Now the young generation must win the economic struggle through skills and education, she said. She emphasized that Vision 2030 is achievable through skills, training, farming, and entrepreneurship, applauding the high participation of young women as proof of President Edi Mnangagwa's commitment to women empowerment. Comrade Sham also encouraged graduates to engage ZIM trade for market opportunities while pledging to facilitate linkages. She further taught swing projects and a poultry hatchery donated by Comrade Mai Chinomona, which continues to empower the community. The ceremony marked yet another milestone in Mashonaland West drive to empower women and transform communities in line with the Vision 2030. Ndo mashwaruda panguwa ine kuchonekwa kunzi aiwa panguwa inoi zvigananda vanhu vamuri kuona kuti these are some of the women vanozikana kuti vari muWomen's League vari kuya pana pachiisa mainitiatives ekusupporta Vision 2030. Penda kume section medu dzamafungiro emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.